What is good, YouTube? I thought I'd bring you around where I'm staying in Amsterdam. It's called Camping Zeeburg. If I sound out of breath, that is because I am. I've just biked from Amsterdam Central. My push bike is over there locked up. But yeah, I want to give you the first reactions of me because I've never stayed there before as well. It's like little pods. I don't know, they're all painted fancy and they're all on like the waterline, I think. But yeah, come along for the ride. If you haven't already, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Look at that boat there. I say I'll put it on the map where I've just biked. It's only about a 20-minute bike ride, do you know what I mean? I'm puffed out. But yeah, let's go inside and check in and see what it's all about. It was £63 a night, I think it works out. It was. I'm staying here for 3 nights. Oh, look at that, it's a bit like a hippie fire, isn't it? Alright, where do we go check in? Take it around up here. Let's have a look. I'll bring you back for inside. All done then, yeah? Yeah. Thank you. Well, that was easy enough. If you stay in the city as well, I think you get charged like a city tax. Well, not, I think, I know you do. I've been charged, but I don't seem to charge around here. But it's just drawn out on the map and I'll figure out where we're going. Right, let me just not walk off. Let's go to these signs up there. Let's sit with our sign. It's all like, do your own food around here. Look, vending machines, do your cookers. Pretty cool. Do like your own cooking. It's all like communal like stuff. We're living like on a campsite, mate, basically. I am a gyppo for a week. No offence to the gypsies out there. Right, where are we going? Field A to D, field F to M. What are we? We're up here. We're up there. Gosh, I'll show you up there. Look how cool these are. Literally living like Tyson Fury. Where's this? We're in 91. Here you go, this is our one here. Look at that. I'm literally staying in a wagonette. It is what it said on when I booked it, I suppose, isn't it? But look how close I am to the water though. Look how cool that is. We'll go down there first. Let's go in the room first, see what it's all about. How fuck is this? Right, got the key. What we got? It's basically, I'm staying in a beach hut. That is us. You want a guided tour? Done it, mate. It is stuffy though, there. Look, you get some light on the scene. Look at that. Gosh. That'd be alright, wouldn't it? Should do a mattress check. Fuck it. Let's do a mattress check. No, it's alright. It's quite comfy. What are we giving it? I don't know. I ain't slept in here, but I'll give it a 6-1 to start with. But yeah. Tour done. That ain't on, is it? Jesus Christ, it's alright now. But yeah, I think we need to roll the broccoli, don't we? Bash! Yes, the people. Right, we are back out of my little beach hut. But yeah, let you say, right, you've got like little vending machines here. If you want to do your own cooking, push for 10 minutes, little cookers and that. Do your own cooking. Some geezer was just cooking some steaks here. I'm half jealous. But yeah, I want to go get a load of stuff out of this. Eat some condoms. Yeah, I want to get something, and I'll bring you back to a bit more around here, really. But yeah, I think we're just going to have that broccoli with a bit of munch. I'm going to go back to Amsterdam to see my mate Jay in the Plug coffee shop. But yeah. Right, I was going to bring you back to me biking. That is me bike. I can't do the stupid fucking lock. Bro, it's just fucking stupid. What's going on? Hey, doggy. Doggy when he chose cuddles. Fucking hell. What an ordeal. Shit. Finally. Stupid Dutch design. Jesus Christ. Just normal. And they give me another lock. Jesus Christ. How many locks? You should give me another lock, mate. I don't think it's secure. I can't even get in it with the key. Right. I'm going to put the GoPro on there. Yeah. We'll see in a bit. Trying to get run over. Right, we need to get over there. And look, this is why you got to get up it. Oh yeah, that's where we were a minute ago. Was it? Yeah, somewhere down there, over there. But that's Camping Zeeburg, like right over there. Fucking bike, Jesus Christ. Fucking get a push bike in Amsterdam. It's fun, they said. Fuck, imagine dropping your phone off and down there. I decided just to take the bike ride anyway because I bike past that coffee shop I see on the way to Zeeburg where we're staying. But yeah, so I've took the bike ride to the Plug coffee shop. It's featured a lot in my Amsterdam videos, but yeah, we're here again. Gonna sit down here for a bit. So I'm wet anyway, do you know what I mean? It's only a 20-minute bike ride, so we're gonna have a couple of smokes in there. Then I'm gonna go to a shop and get a steak, and definitely cook a steak when we're back, and yeah, drive like that. But yeah, I should see you inside. Bosh. Right, the people, as you'd probably have seen, I was just in a coffee shop. I was in there for about 3 hours probably. I wanted to avoid the rain, and I think I did do my best. Did get a bit wet coming home, but anyway, long story short, I went into the shop, I got a steak, I got some burgers. Let's play Chef Ramsay in Camping Zeeburg. Le Bosh. Right, I've just had them steaks, just had a little broccoli outside, and it is absolutely tipping it down. I'm not going to go outside and show you, but yeah, I should see you guys in the morning for a proper rundown and show you around Camping Zeeburg, what it's all about. La Bosh. See you in the morning. Boom, and just like that, it's the morning. Good morning. I slept pretty good really, but like all the rain all night long is bouncing on top of these fiberglass little dome things, and it sounds like there's a level 5 tornado outside. It ain't, it's literally just like light rain, but yeah, it's well windy though. These are your little chalawettes, whatever the fuck they call them. Yeah, so let's get a bit wet. I mean, they're all the same really. And then you got some over here, are like little houses. Like how cool are these ones? Little shallows. I'd say it's literally like a John Fury special, isn't it? Like, it's proper gypsy-fied. It is what it is. I say it cost me, it was €183 for 3 nights, and it worked out like 160 I think, so it's not too terrible. Where's my cabin? It's this one. I say if you end up renting somewhere in Amsterdam, it's going to cost you like more than that, put it that way. I know you don't really get a lot, and the toilet you have to walk like down here for. It's literally just up there. It's like a communal toilet and shower. It's all very clean in that. I'll bring you back in there in a minute and we have our shower. But a couple of minutes, smoke this. Smoke, get myself together. Oh yeah. That is Camping Zeeburg for you. I'll show you a bit more around it in a minute. So we're walking down this bit now from my little cabin, hut, whatever you want to call it, just to go get a shower. Got all my gear with me, haven't we? Proper playing campsite, man. So I've been sharing a shower with some old dude or something, you know what I mean? There, I say this is a kitchen I showed you last night. It's just a bit better in the day, isn't it? There you go. There's some vending machines there, which I showed you. Do what you're cooking. Have a cup of tea if you want. Seating area around there. That's your reception over there. That's a little coffee machine, which we might have to have a look at in a minute after the shower. There's a little restaurant at the front of the place. Yeah, I assume you can hire bikes and boats and all that shit. You get your laundry around here. I mean, it's all proper set up for you. Do you know what I mean? Just got to put in the effort to do the work, I suppose. But yeah, we're going to go inside and have a shower now. Some outside sinks for you. Let's go outside and show what it's like, you know. Can't really do too much filming though, because obviously there's other people, because it's a unisex showers. So we'll get to the showers, I'll show you that. mean, yeah, it is what it is, isn't it? I think someone has just been in there. Boom, and just like that, that was probably the worst shower I've ever had. Oh, it's just, no. Different cubicles with different people, that's fine. The shower's not really that powerful, so I've got soap everywhere still. Like, my towel's gone on the floor. Do you know what I mean? It's just like every people have been standing on it. But anyway, we're going to get over the shower situation. We're going to go back to the cabin. And we're going to roll a little smoky smoke. Oh, I think we need to go invest in one of them coffees that we see when we was just having a shower. Right, so you got them cool little huts, Teletubby houses, whatever they're called. And you can say you got these ones where I'm staying. That's my middle one now. The pink one, the purple. There's quite a few of them like that round here. Just gonna go up there, have a little wander around, see what's happening. I think it's just mainly like a campsite, like people putting up in their own camper van. But yeah, we'll inspect it, we'll have a look there. Female toilets on top. Unisex toilets there. What's this? Yeah, male toilets, hand washing. Is that where you do? Is that another laundry place? Let's have a look. Oh, that's where they do washing. So you got your toilets, hot water. YouTuber that follows me around the world. Get back. That's where you do the washing. Yeah, if you're coming in your own camper van, this way they'll take him. That's where I put you, I assume. Pretty cool drive around the country in one of them. More campers over there. What's around here then? Should we go around here? That was well fluffy. So we've got here drinking water. Okay, that's where you feel like you're drinking water. It's pretty cool. Little map for you for the garbage. I'm staying. That's my one now. More bins. So you got a little sign up here telling you where you go. Proper windy here last night as well. Like, I don't know whether I mentioned that. Jesus Christ, that little hut I'm standing in, I felt I was going to get blown away. Well windy. But there's your bit of information for you. Wash and dry, bike rental, restaurant shop, all that other shit. Yeah. I mean, it is what it is, you know what I mean? And it ain't what it ain't. And that is the end of the Camping Zeeburg vlog. I thought I'd just give you a little guided tour around it, see where I stayed, see if you like it. Would you stay here yourself? Hit me up in the comments and let me know. And yeah, I shall see you soon. So remember, keep hitting that like, subscribe button. Labash!